What's up, boys? We took a win today on NQ. We are up $728 on the day. We went about 10 contracts or 10 micros on this trade. So let's just get into the logic of it. Let's start. Not really much going on in the 4 hour. There's these gaps. We have this 4 hour gap holding us up, and then I identified the smaller gaps that were under it. So we went all the way down to the 15, found this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap. I was expecting a reversal from this area because we have all this liquidity lying. We have this here, and yeah, lots of targets to the upside. So it seemed like a no-brainer to me. So let's just go. Yeah, let's go here. It's kind of hard to tell, but I think this is the 4 hour gap. I don't really have it marked out, but I have it as a line. So I believe this one's the 4 hour gap, and then we have our draws down here. So market opens, we come down, and we leave equal highs up here. As you can see, equal highs right there. Boom. Beautiful. We love equal highs. It's a great target. So we come down, we sweep all this stuff, and wouldn't really consider this a manipulation leg. So I mean, it wasn't. I don't know if I would consider this an A+ setup, but it was very, very, very solid. So we come down, come all the way up here. I identify the highest time frame inversion in this leg, which was in this case the 3-minute fair value gap. And then right when I entered the trade, we actually created a 5-minute fair value gap, which I marked up later. Kind of scared me a little bit, but ended up working for us. I actually, technically, I entered here, so it was a lot like a 1 to 5 RR, but we got really bad slippage. I clicked buy as soon as it closed, and it took a minute. It lagged, and then it got me in. So, yeah, we had our change in state of delivery. We had all this liquidity swept. We have equal highs resting up there. Relative equal highs even. Lots of draws. I believe London highs. London highs as well, yeah. So lots of very clean draws to the upside, which made me feel very confident about this trade. Wanted to go break even pretty quickly here after realizing this 5-minute fair value gap was formed. Didn't want. I had confidence that we were gonna displace through it, but it still was a bit of a concern. So I was kind of thugging it out right here. Noticed about in this area that we had formed this, marked it out, and I saw a pretty good push up here. I thought here we were gonna reject. I was considering just exiting this trade because I don't really want to trade into a 5-minute fair value gap. But if the displacement's hard enough, or if the displacement and the buyers are strong enough, we should just easily be able to get through that if our bias is correct. So I was holding true to my bias, and I was saying, like, I think that this trade's gonna work out. Like, I think that I picked the right direction. And so I just held through all this mess. Decided to go break even around this area. As you can see, this line. This isn't a perfect line of where I went break even, but it's close. Yeah. So it was a really solid trade. We are undergoing schedule maintenance, which may temporarily affect some functionality. We appreciate your patience. Probably should hurry this up then. I don't know what that means, but yeah, we had our half our position get taken off here, full TP all the way up here. So we got half our position taken off. I think around this candle, I accidentally did a market order sell for 2 micros, and then I took 5 off at this half position. So I sold 7 off and left 3 running. It was a mistake, and I lost out at maybe $50 to $100, but it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, we obviously risk-free trade after we took our half position. It was risk-free from here, and unfortunately hit break even. Unfortunately didn't tap into these equal highs, which is a little bit uncharacteristic. We were close enough, but that's just how it goes sometimes. That's why I took off some of my position. So yeah, was a little bit nervous about this daily lockout. I have a 2 trade limit, and I apparently executed 3 times. As you can see here, I executed 3 trades, but it still let me close it, so it's nice. We're up 420 on the week. It just goes to show that when you lose a trade, as we did yesterday, you shouldn't really trip about it too much, because I can double it the next day. I mean, I made more than double what I lost yesterday. So I mean, it doesn't really matter too much. Yeah, that's basically it. I have a video. I believe it should be this. I may have started recording late. I believe this is it. Yeah. So something went wrong. Well, I guess this isn't working. That's stupid. I guess that's not working, so guess we're not going to see the trade recap, but you can see that I obviously entered the trade, obviously realized profit loss right there. We were in this trade for a total of, let's see, 39. Man, we were in this for a minute. It was like 40 or 50 minutes. Yeah, we were just kind of, actually no, we were out right here. Yeah, we were in this trade for a good 30 to 40 minutes. Had good patience the entire time. Really feeling good about my trading, as I feel like I've been saying that a lot, but I mean, it's true. I do feel pretty good about it. Been doing a lot of psychology stuff at night, just writing stuff down. This I'm saying I'm a profitable trader. Losses don't matter. Trying to engrave good habits in my head, and we're gonna get this XFA soon. We're gonna get this combine passed. I can feel it. We're trading pretty good. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.